One more chance of getting Google Swags, that is holiday speedrun, and only 595 spots remaining. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. And today I am with one more video, and this is very awesome because you have a chance to get a Google Swags for free through this Quick Labs holiday speedrun. And here you need to participate in this so that you can lead in leaderboard, and also you can get free Google Swags, and there is assured rewards to all, that is Google Quick Labs free labs point, so that you can access free Quick Labs for 1 month. And this is the use code you can copy. Just I have copied holiday 2020. Where need to paste, I am going to show in this video, so you must watch this full video. And also when you get registered for this, you must comment that you have registered, you comment that you registered, so that I made more videos so that they help you to complete these Quick Labs. These Quick Labs are very important and needs to complete within 30 December, that is only 5 days. And here you can see all the FAQs, who is eligible, everyone is eligible, what will be the prizes, as I mentioned, Quick Labs credits, and also some surprise gifts, that is Google Swags. And the important question which arises in all mind, that when will we get these prizes? So the prizes distribution will be started from 15th of January of this 2021. So let's register for this so that you can also got a Google Swag, a free Google Swag, and Quick Lab branding or Google Cloud branding. So let's register for this. Firstly, how to register, I am going to show you here. Just tap on play now. We are already copied this code holiday 2020, and here you need to sign in it with Google. So must sign in with Google, or need to create an account on Google Cloud. This is a Quick Lab account. I've already have a Google Quick Lab account because I have completed the 30 days of Google Cloud, where I already completed 7 to 8 of Quick Labs. So these Quick Labs are totally different from those, so you need to start a new journey here. So here you can see there is an option of join this game. When you tap on it, you get registered for this. And here is the game labs, total 7 hand-on labs, which are very not difficult. They are means average level. And what's next after that, 4 more tasks are there if you want to lead in the leaderboards. So firstly, I'm going to tap on this blue button, that is join this game, and here I only paste that code holiday 2020. And when here I am got registered, you can see my player name is there, player 98273, and also avatar is there. So I got registered when I tap on submit. When you also find this, then you think that you also got registered, so just submit this. And here I already submitted and my setup is completed. And here you can see complete the course activity. Every activity is some have a points, and you need to get points so that you can lead. You can see here many of the leaders already completed many of the labs, and they are far away from us. So we need to start our new journey. I am on 337th rank, so you also must apply for this, and you also have a rank in this leaderboard. And you can see I have already completed many of the labs, and also I have completed half of the labs. There are 3 labs which I have completed half of that. And here you can find many of the labs, many of the other things which are related to Quick Labs or Google Cloud. And here I just tap on the holiday program, the game which is started. And here you can find there are 7 hands-on lab. You can see here there are total 7 hands-on lab. That is not much more difficult. I made video for that so that you easily get all these stuffs, and you also got a good rank in leaderboard. So you also find a surprise gift from the Google Cloud or Quick Labs. So here what's next, you can find all the 4 tasks which is after you need to complete when you completed all these labs. So here first is assistant build a YouTube entertainment app. How to do this? This is not be completed on your mobile phone or any smartphone. You need a PC or a laptop for this. So you must have a laptop for starting this type of Quick Labs, and you need to complete all of that. Needs to spend more than 5 minutes in all, so that you have get registered and your labs get certified by the quick labs. So you must participate and share with your friends, so also they get registered and find the free surprise gifts from quick labs. So must subscribe my channel and like this video, and also comment and share with your friends.